Assalam Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's special dish is pomfret fry. So let's start inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First thing is I have 3 pomfret, white pomfret, to which I've added around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, keep that aside. Now for the second marinade, I'm using 2 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is the second tablespoon. And 2 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. If you don't have Kashmiri red chili powder, you can use 4 tablespoon of red chili powder. But if it's too spicy for you, you can reduce a little. This is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And asafoetida, that is hing, little. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use lime juice also. Yeah, now you can mix it well. You can add a little tablespoon or 2 tablespoon of water to it and mix it if the marinade is too thick. But don't make the marinade too thin, so make sure the consistency is good enough. So the marinade is ready. We can rub the fish with the marinade. Make sure you are rubbing it properly and it covers the whole fish. So my fish is ready. You can even fry it, or if you want you can keep it for some more time also before frying it. Okay, in a bowl or a plate, use half cup of semolina, a quarter cup of rice flour, and some salt to taste. Mix it well. Now dab the fish in this mix. So on a tawa or a pan, heat some oil. I prefer coconut oil. You can use any oil. I feel like the coconut oil gives some unique taste to it. Fry the fish on a moderate flame. Here's some curry leaves. After a minute or so, flip the fish and fry it on another side of it. Again for a minute or 2. Until it's cooked, you know better. So my fish is ready. Serve hot with onion and lemon slices and sprinkle some chaat masala on top of it for a yummy taste. And this is it. If you've liked my video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Assalamu Alaikum.